we got this situation. We have to integrate sin 2x upon a cos square x plus b sin square x. Okay. So if you will observe, you know that we have to take help of substitution, and you may find the denominator part to be annoying. Okay. So I will take the whole denominator as z. So a cos square x plus b sin square x. Now go with the differentiation. Dz by dx equals a is a constant, 2 comes outside. We have uh, yes, cos x and sin x, and we have differentiated cos, which is in c, so we will have minus 1. Same way we have to differentiate b sin square x. So b is a constant, then we will have 2 sin x and cos x. Okay. If you will observe, you have 2 sin x cos x common, which is sin 2x, and then we have b minus a, and you may observe that you have sin 2x with dx. Okay. So can I write dz by b minus a equals sin 2x dx? Correct. So you got your things done. So can I apply the replacements? So we will be having 1 by b minus a integration of dz by z. Okay. Now you have to integrate 1 by z. So you know that it will become log z. So log z plus integration constant c. So now apply the replacement of z, because they have asked question in terms of x, not in z. So it is b minus a log a cos square x plus b sin square x, and then integration constant c. So this is the answer. I hope the idea is clear and you got the approach which you can utilize in other questions. Okay.